Now they must say, since the DPP is retiring from appeal prosecution, this is a clear victory for Ninjaman. And if you want to say freedom for Ninjaman, comment freedom for Ninjaman in the comment section. Put a like on the video and also share the video. Now, of course, I'm going to hear from the DPP herself as she has confirmed her retirement from appeal prosecution. So I don't think she will be the prosecutor while Ninjaman appeal is set to set him free. I'm going to hear what I want. Look and listen.
I'm in the final few months of my tenure.
Fresh drop.
It has been a privilege and a pleasure to have appeared before all members of this bench. May I also say to my lady Harris, my lord Fraser, my lady Edwards, my lady Williams, my lady President, MacDonald Bishop, my lady Straw. It has been a privilege to have interacted with all of you at the various stages of our professional development throughout the office of the DPP. And although I'm proud of every member of this bench, my lady Simmons, my lady Foster Pusey, but I'm especially proud.
Don't forget,
I'm going to save the best for the last. I am especially proud as I have been privileged to have observed the wonderful brilliance, the keen intellectual acuity, and the development of all of you. And I wish you all the very best.
What do you think? If you were one of the 3 judges, we are hearing this appeal, hearing all that was done, all that took place in the appeal itself, or the trial itself, the amount of jurors, all the concerns raised and presented by the defense, and the fact that prosecution doesn't have any new evidence. Not that they've told the public. So that's the same story. Except in this day and age, we have more explanations. Then, when you also hear just about Ninjaman overall, seeing his legacy, thinking about the fact that, for one, it seems that Ninjaman was judged based off him on-stage persona. Not just based upon the evidence, or him as an individual. Because only since Ninjaman they behind the bars, we are here much person, Desmond Valentine, has helped with the money that he has made while being Ninjaman on stage. Because some of them foundations and things when Ninjaman do, me I tell you the truth, me never even hear about them some of them. And growing up, we always hear about Ninjaman. But we never hear say him used to do them thing. Say him used to help out people and him have his own foundation to help out people. And these are documented things. But for some reason, when you talk about Ninjaman and something that is highlighted, then just talk about, maybe they talk about him lyrical skills, they talk about him on-stage performance, but they also talk about the persona, that is the gangster, hardcore, dancehall persona. So maybe even the jury was not seeing Desmond Valentine on trial, but rather seeing the critically acclaimed, famed, notorious Ninjaman. Not seeing that that's a character. But tell me what you think. And if you were one of the judges, one of the appeal judges, would you grant Ninjaman his freedom? Or maybe you are one of those people who are looking at it as he has done his time. Ninjaman a elder statesman, veteran of the music industry, and him do a whole heap of years behind the bars already. So do you believe that them let him out just based on that? based on the fact say, you know him do him time. And somebody where with the years we him have now and the wisdom we him have now, him can forward out and help. You know? Be a guiding force. Show some form of guidance to the next generation. A youth we are forward up. Whether it be in the industry or just in a society. I really feel that Ninja Man and one of them man that we can go talk a certain school. Yeah, we say the school performances. And normally with the school performances, some of these artists do get to speak to the students. But other than the school performances, we can just have some of these entertainers speak to the youth. So that the youth can even also differentiate. And know so this is them favorite artists are forward. But the things that we matter about is not just based on entertainment. It is based on these youth, their lives, things that they want to accomplish, and how these entertainers have accomplished their dreams. And also motivating the next generation of youth to accomplish their dreams too. Because think about it. We always hear the saying the children are the future. And do the maths. They are the future. Future men and women of tomorrow. And as much as artists sing about them, sing about and want people come and dance and jump up and shout, them still know say you still need future ministers, doctors, lawyers, nurse, you name it, engineers, creative thinkers, creatives, directors, you name it. You have to also motivate them. And people feel like Ninja Man and all them artists that can do that. Tell me if you agree based on that. But them say June of the month, and Ninja Man will be freed. So some people are saying, continue to remind the people. Continue to remind the people. Them say the fans, the well-wishers of Ninja Man are still out there. And them still want to see him freed and released. As I said, tell me what you think. Comment in the comment section. And if you were one of the judges, tell me if you would grant Ninja Man his freedom. And if you choose to, tell us why. Either grant him the freedom. Of course, if you're new to the channel as a pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. As I said, the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. So you can tell a friend to tell a friend, you can share the video. Share the video so people can hear what I go on. And all who wants the Ninja Man freed, get to see the video, put them comment, like the video, and also share the video as well. You know what I mean? As I said, the DPP are saying that she no longer be a part of appeal proceedings. And some people say this means good news for Ninja Man and Ninja Man get free. Just like how we have seen Vibes Cartel freed. You know what I mean? Dante and his co-accused free. As I said, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours of who live, love, and prosper. And of course, for who stay tuned, as I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment freedom for Ninja Man. The fans them say they want to see Ninja Man released. Them want to see Ninja Man on stage like how they must say Cartel and Beanie and all these other artists overseas. The fans overseas say them want to see a Ninja Man performance in New York. Tell me if you agree with them. And of course, until we reason again, as I said before, I want to live, love, and prosper. And of course, I want to stay tuned.